It's time for the Simply Wooden Creations 2018 Scroll Saw Challenge. Hi, I'm Paul. Welcome to my messy workshop. Like I said in the introduction, this is a time of the year when Russ Clarity over at Simply Wooden Creations puts on his annual Scroll Saw Challenge. This year's challenge is an open topic, so you can make whatever you want. I elected to go buy some patterns from Alex Fox. He has a store over on Etsy. He sells some really neat projects. So I thought I'd try something a little outside my comfort range. So I bought a couple patterns from him, and that's what I'm going to do for the challenge. So stick around and you can see the project in progress, and at the end I'll show you the finished project. Well, I've printed out the pattern. I've mounted the individual pieces to my piece of plywood, and now I'm going to cut them up into more manageable sizes. Then after I do that, then I'll cut out each individual part. Well, after all that scrolling, I have my project done. What I made this year were a couple of crosses. Now these crosses are made from laminated 1/8 inch thick plywood, and you can see the depth that shows. That's the smaller of the two. This is the larger of the two. They have a little bit different pattern. This one is 6 layers. This one is 5 layers. They're both made out of Baltic birch plywood. They're finished with just some spray polyurethane. I don't know why this one turned out a little darker looking than this one did. It's the same finish. But anyway, this is my entry for the 2018 Scroll Saw Challenge. I appreciate your watching.